Hi, I'm Vic Tesolin. Welcome to my shop. You know, not everybody's got the tools or the inclination to handle big, large planks. They're pretty heavy and they're hard to get around in the shop sometimes, especially if you have a small shop. And what about plywood? Plywood, 4x8, 5x5, is huge. So if you don't have a car or you have a small car, it can be difficult to transport that stuff. If you work with a company like KJP, they can help you reduce the sizes of the material so you can handle them a little easier. They have many species of wood that are sold as project boards, which have been skip dressed to reveal the grain. They also have boards that have been pre-dimensioned, sold as dimension lumber, which is great if you don't have a joiner or planer. Not to mention, many other pre-cut and size options, all available for pickup or shipped to your home. You can even send them a cut list and have them cut all of the parts for your project for you, like I did with my recent bench build. I just listed my parts a bit larger than they needed to be, and then that allowed me to bring everything to final dimension. They sent me a custom quote for the material, milling, and shipping, and sent it right to my house. So remember, you don't have to have a huge shop or lots of machines to woodwork. You just need to work with a company like KJP who can help reduce the size of that lumber just to get you started. Enjoy your time in the shop.